Hey, it's Brian Rose from London Real. Let me ask you a question. Do you hate your job? And be honest with me, because I would argue that most of the people watching this right now actually do hate their job. It's a 9-to-5 thing. They go in, they do work they don't want to do with people they don't like for a reason they can't explain. And unfortunately, we're kind of brought up in this whole world to have this notion that we get a degree and we get a job and we get money and maybe we have a little free time to do what we love, and that's kind of it. That's a wrap. And I think that's just kind of a horrible way to create this world and a horrible way to live our lives. And so what I'd like you to do for me now is take a step back and say, what is your why? Or start with why. And it's a great concept that one of my guests, Simon Sinek, talked about when he was on the show and in a TED Talk. And he said, if you understand your why you get out of bed, and if a company can understand their why, then it can be completely functional. And that's really what we all have to do in life, is figure out what is that why. And so to connect with that, I want you to ask yourself this question. Why was I put on this earth? What was I put here to do? And if you can really start answering that question for you, what was it? Was it to teach others? Was it to inspire? Was it to create videos or create art or create anything like that? That's the question you have to ask yourself. Why was I put on this earth? And I don't think it was to make $23,000 and work 40 hours a week. I think it was actually to do something with purpose. And so that's what I'm always asking all of my viewers and students, because I think if we start with passion and create something out of that, a business or a movement, then you're gonna have something powerful. So go ahead and type in the comments below and tell me, what were you put on this earth to do? I'm gonna reply to every one of them, and let's see if we can figure this out and get everybody working for their purpose so this world can become a massively better place. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Take care, Brian.